Good evening to each of us. Today I will present to you a novel of Envim Gonzalez for the title of Work to the Mountain. Before we continue, I will give you a recap the life of Envim Gonzalez. So, the real name of Envim Gonzalez is Nestor Vicente Madali Gonzalez. I was a Filipino novelist, short story writer, essayist, and poet, conferred as a national artist of the Philippines for literature in 1997. He was the son of Vicente Gonzalez, a school supervisor, and a Pastora Madali, a teacher. He was married to Nareta Manuel, with whom he had 4 children. Gonzalez born in September 8, 1915 in Romblon, Philippine Island, and Gonzalez died on November 28, 1999 at the age of 84. He lived in Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines, and the occupation of Envin Gonzalez, he's a former teacher, author, journalist, and AC writer. Here are the list of works and awards of Envin Gonzalez. First, the works of Envin Gonzalez, The Winds of April, Children of the Ash, The Bamboo Dancer, A Season of the Grace, 7 Hills Away, and Locked Stranger on the Island Now, Mindoro and Beyond, 21 Stories, The Breed of Salt, The Father and the Maid, Kalutang, A Filipino in the World, The Novel of Justice, selected essay. For the award of Envin Gonzalez, National Artist Award for Literature, Philippine Centennial Award for Literature, Doctor of Human Letters, Cultural Center of Philippine Award, City of Manila Diwa ng Lahi Award, Republic Cultural Heritage Award, First Commonwealth Literary Contest, Philippine Republic Award, and Merit of Literature in English, Jose Rizal Pro Patricia Award, Patnubay ng Sining at Kalinangan Award. The remarkable words in the story of Envim Gonzalez and the title of Work to the Mountain is care or duty, as the words emphasize the deep sense of obligation and connection between individuals and their community or environments. And NVM also used the words the mountain to present an ultimate goal as aspiration. Gonzalez count his journey as a writer and how his environment shaped his worldview. And also the work delves into the idea of work as a means of self-discovery and fulfillment while addressing the relationship between humanity and nature. For the summary, the essay is Work on the Mountain explored themes of writing, identity, and the Filipino experience. Gonzalez discussed the craft of storytelling and importance of language and struggles of Filipino writers in gaining recognition both locally and internationally. He also examines Philippine history, folklore, and the intersection of tradition and modernity. The title metaphorically suggests the challenges of literary work like climbing a mountain. Writing is an ongoing effort requiring perseverance and dedication. Gonzalez shares personal insight from his career, including his time teaching and his interaction with the writers. Overall work in the mountain serve as a reflection on the role of writers in shaping culture and preserving national identity through storytelling. Here, Envim Gonzalez explain in his essay that as a writer, you like a mountaineer, you are climbing in a mountain, so you achieve your goal. And and Vim Gonzalez explained here that how struggle being a writer to recognize na not locally but internationally. And in the essay of Vim Gonzalez, he also examined the history of and folklore of the tradition and modernity of the Philippines. Thank you for listening. Have a great day to all of us.